वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। ट्रायल पैसेज स्टूडेंट्स लगभग हर दिन हम देते हैं 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, जो स्पेशल लीगल होते हैं, क्योंकि अभी पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का टेस्ट या किसी भी लीगल टेस्ट में आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम ट्रायल पैसेज इसलिए दे रहे हैं कि आपकी पोजीशन कहाँ है, आप कितना लिखते हैं और कितनी आपकी मिस्टेक्स होती हैं, कैसे आपकी सुधरेंगी। उसी सीरीज़ में मैं आज ये लीगल डिक्टेशन आपको दे रहा हूँ। ये इसको आप ट्रायल पैसेज ना समझें, इसको आप टेस्ट समझें। 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, 720 वर्ड्स ओनली। ये आपको ऐसे ही लिखनी है जैसे आप किसी एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर में बैठ के आप स्किल टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, और फिर रिजल्ट अपने आप आपको चेक करना है ईमानदारी से, तो रिजल्ट आपके सामने होगा कि आपको कितनी मेहनत और करनी है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। 80 वर्ड्स ए मिनट, रियल जजमेंट लीगल। रेडी, स्टार्ट। The Bombay High Court on Wednesday quashed and set aside an order passed by the National Investigation Agency (NIA) court and granted bail to a cricket bookie Naresh Gaur as accused in the Antilia explosive case. Mr. Gaur's petition to the Bombay High Court assails the order passed by the special NIA court on November 20 on a request made by the NIA, which had passed an order staying the operation of its own order granting bail to Mr. Gaur for 25 days. On November 20, the NIA court granted him bail after observing that prima facie he did not seem to be aware of the conspiracy in the case. A single judge bench of Justice Sandeep Sindhe said, "In my view, the Code of Criminal Procedure does not empower the Sessions Judge to stay the operation of his order of grant of bail." The entire staff of a government school in Rajasthan's Alwar district, comprising 14 teachers and the principal, were on the Wednesday booked in 3 gang rape cases on the complaints launched by 4 students. The minor girls alleged that the teachers had been raping them and with the help of their female colleagues. The police have registered FIRs under relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POSCO) Act and launched investigation. One of the FIRs was based on the complaint of 2 sisters studying in school, while the others were registered on the complaint of 2 other students. While no arrests were made till Wednesday evening, the investigation team at Madhan Police Station in Behror sub-district probed into the aspect of false complaints having been made against the teachers at the instance of one of their former colleagues, who was arrested on charges of molestation last year. A teacher from the same school, accused of molesting a Dalit student, was arrested and sent to jail in December last year. Since he was released on bail recently, the police suspect that he could be involved in the complaints being launched against the staff members, all of whom had testified against him as witnesses in the court during the trial of the case. Chief Block Education Officer of Behror, Shashi Kapoor, was visited the school on Wednesday, told that the education department had launched an inquiry into the matter and was recording the statement of the students. In addition to the criminal proceedings, the department would take appropriate action in the case, Mr. Kapoor said. Meanwhile, the opposition Bharatiya Janata Party slammed the Congress government over the alleged incident and demanded an immediate arrest of all the accused teachers. BJP's State President Satish Poonia said Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, who also holds the home portfolio, should resign if he was unable to provide a safe environment for women and take care of the law and order situation in the state. A man assaulted in August for selling bangles in a locality in Indore was granted bail by the Madhya Pradesh High Court's Indore bench in an alleged sexual harassment case. Taslim Ali was granted bail on Tuesday by Justice Sujoy Paul. Assam Hazmi, who is Mr. Ali's lawyer, told the Hindu. Mr. Ali, a Bengal seller from Uttar Pradesh, Hardoi district, was booked under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act (POSCO) and other IPC sections on charges of outrageous modesty. The POSCO case was registered after Mr. Ali launched a complaint at Bangana police station in Indore, in which he said he was abused, threatened and assaulted on August 23rd while he was doing the rounds selling bangles. A video of the assault had also gone viral on social media. However, the police is not revealing the identity of the person on whose complaint the POSCO case was registered. Mr. Ali's lawyer also said this was surprising as there was no mention of the molestation charge in the widely circulated video. He added that 4 men arrested by the police for thrashing Mr. Ali got bail in a few days, while he has spent 107 days in jail. The court granted bail to Mr. Ali on a personal bond of rupees 50,000 and like surety of the same amount, both of which were arranged by the lawyers pursuing his case. Stop.